gain that confidence. This is all. And yes, I have gained confidence. If I tell you about 3 years back, it happened with me a lot of times, interacting with people. I was like, yeah, I know all the words, I know all the sentences, sentence formation, I know. But I don't
Mm.
have, courage and all. So I was like, no, I can't say.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you. You tell me, what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. Actually, nowadays holidays, vacations are going on, so all teachers are feeling relaxed.
No, actually, in my son's school, the vacation hasn't started yet. I think it will be starting from 1st of June.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we both are strangers for each other. So let's start with a brief introduction.
Yeah, sure. So, shall I start?
Yes.
Uh, my name is Nootan, and I'm from Mathura, UP. And I'm a homemaker, and I run a YouTube channel as well. And if I tell you about my qualification, then I'm graduate, and I'm blessed with 2 kids. So this is all. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm Preeti and I'm an English teacher. I'm teaching in a private school. Basically, I'm from Haryana and right now I'm living in Bhadur, that is near New Delhi. Apart
Okay.
from teaching, I'm running my two YouTube channel. One is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti, that is my study channel, and another one is Easy Way Vlog, that is my entertaining channel, just for vlogging. That's
Okay.
all about me. Yes.
Nice.
I watched recently your video with Sunil sir.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why I recognized your face. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Anything you want to ask? Then please go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just want to ask you, for how long have you been in teaching profession?
Uh, Ma'am, it's been 3 years since when I started my YouTube channel. Okay, and since then I have been making my own videos, solo videos. Okay, and it's been, I think, 25 days, and now I have been talking with people, like such a video conversational video talk. Okay, and earlier I was just making my own videos, my solo videos. That's it.
Okay. So are you a YouTuber only or working anywhere?
No, I'm a homemaker.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Actually, I was thinking you are also a teacher. Oh,
No, 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 not at all. Yeah.
okay. So, what is your journey right now, like on YouTube? Is your
Uh,
channel going smoothly?
yeah. Uh, yeah, I don't think much. I don't have any concern about that, views and all. I just working on myself. I'm just trying to improve myself and trying to gain that confidence. This is all. And yes, I have gained confidence. If I tell you about 3 years back, I was so like hesitant, so
Oh,
shy I was earlier. I used to be, and now I feel confident, and now I'm connecting with male as well. So it's a very big deal for me, and I'm very blessed and thankful to God that I have given this kind of opportunity, such a kind of like a group. I am in that right now, and I'm connecting with people. So this is a very great thing for me, very huge thing for me, because earlier I was like feeling like no one is with me, like I was lacking the partner, speaking partner, right? So yeah, I was like sometimes feeling like demotivated, that how can I improve my way of speaking? How can I communicate with people in English? Yeah, I knew that. I had this idea that there are a lot of apps like Fluency, Ace Fluency, and English Yari, a lot of apps, but I didn't have that courage so that I could connect with people. I was like kind of shying person, very hesitant I was earlier. So that is why never ever try to connect with such people on that platform. Okay, but yes, since it's a platform in which there are a lot of learners, so I found that okay, I'm like their level. I'm not
oh,
like they're not that much superior. I'm also on their level, so yeah, I can connect with them. Thinking that, I just started talking to them, all the people, like different people, like that.
yeah, definitely. When we do something and when we try to do something, like earlier you were making solo videos, definitely that time also you gain confidence and remove your hesitation, yes, nervousness. And when you do conversation like on video call, so that is also a unique experience. Same happened with me. Like earlier, I also used to make videos related to NCRT syllabus, some grammar topic on my channel. But right now, from February, I'm doing this type of conversation. And sometimes, if any recorded videos are not available, in that case, I do solo videos also. So
Okay.
yeah, definitely, yeah. This whole experience, like in school, I'm getting offline experience in and on YouTube, I'm gaining different type of experience as well as confidence also. So definitely, this experience also helpful in our career. Like
Yeah.
if we are doing conversation and automatically a different way of speaking, we are getting in front in internally we are getting.
Yeah,
So
that's and yeah, that decision which I made earlier, which I took earlier, that was not insignificant for me, because had I not taken that decision earlier 3 years back, I would not have doing like such kind of things. Like I would not have gaining such confidence, which is I feel myself that yeah, I'm very confident right now. I can communicate with people with so effortlessly. That is why yeah, this is very significant for me.
mhm. Okay. So which type of content you made on your YouTube channel?
Earlier I used to make like ideas, like my experiences earlier, the experience I have gone through to learn English language, all the things in terms of English language, right? Like some kind of vocabularies and some kind of grammatical portion patterns, that's
Mhm.
it. That I'm like how to think in English, how can we try to think in English, how to remove hesitation and all, whatever the thing that I have gone through, I just share all the things on my channel.
Okay.
And
So
I'm
I just
uploading videos.
okay. Okay. So I always try to prefer any topic for conversation. So right now I'm thinking that we should choose the same topic, how we can improve our fluency in English, because it is a common question for most of beginners and learners. So what
Yeah.
is your point of view in that question? Like how we can improve our fluency for a beginner, especially for beginner and learner.
Okay. For a beginner, initially we must have to like we must need to take that initiative, right? When the
Mm-hmm.
person is not feeling like confident, he is not courageous enough. Let's
Mm-hmm.
say if about my experience, I was also like that. I didn't have that much courage to speak a single sentence in English to other person like that. And this had happened with me a lot of times, interacting with people. I was like, yeah, I know all the words, I know all the sentences, sentence formation, I know, but I don't have courage and all. So I was like, no, I can't say. And the fear of getting judged by people, fear of getting mocked by people, so
Mm-hmm.
these we have to first of all just get rid of these kind of fears. If we are taking an initiative to say something in English to other person, we must have to remove such kind of fear. And the fear, it will definitely go away. It's all you need. The thing that is needed to my mind is like your willingness, how much
Mm-hmm.
enthusiastic you are to learn this English language, right? How much enthusiastic and energetic you feel, if you have that kind of agility to talk with people, to talk. I have to say, my point of view, I have to put with people in English anyhow. This kind of determination you must have. And if you are having such kind of determination, then definitely you are going to get that kind of fluency, right? Yeah, but take time, not a month on a stretch talking. This will not get you result. Little bit you can get that result, but yeah, it will take time. 6 months, 1 year, it varies from like one person to another, to my
Mm-hmm.
mind.
Yeah, I'm fully agree with your points. And same and a little bit change in my views also. Like I always try to prefer for beginners and for students, like they have to put up your mouth, open your mouth to speak something. Yes, whether you are speaking breaking English, you are using breaking sentences. Same, I always try to motivate my students, whether you are speaking wrong, but always try to speak English, especially in
Yeah,
my lecture. Yeah, and it is compulsory to speak English to English for every teacher right now. I think in every school, and same in my school also. I'm English teacher, so it is compulsory to speak for a language teacher, especially. And I always try, like no one will speak Hindi in my period, but somehow if maybe some students are very weak, so in that case what I do, they can ask permission first, and then bilingual I always try to teach some topic of grammar. But yes, for beginner, if we talk about beginner, so I think we should start for four skills which we always prefer to everyone: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And for
Yeah.
that, yes, listening first, because we learn any language by listening first. Like
Yeah. Right.
we can give the example of a baby. What
Yeah.
he observe around him or her, he always try to copy them. So that is the shadow effect. Yes, shadow effect means like imitate. So
Yeah.
somehow,
Right.
like yes, first we are listen. We have to listen and then try to speak and copy those word and sentences. And
Yeah.
for
Right.
beginners, yes, sometimes like some beginners says we have no command on grammar. So I think in that case, first we have to learn simple grammar rules. Simple grammar rules in the sense like
Yeah.
parts of speech. Yes, parts of speech, like what is verb, what is subject, and what is predicate, what is object. So somehow we will definitely learn how to speak like simple words. What is eat? Eat means, and what is sleep? Sleep means like verb. So
Yeah.
then we should learn what is how we can utilize these verbs in our sentence. So like construction of this frame of sentence, that is most important. How we can frame our sentences. And in starting, yes, we definitely use broken English, but gradually we have to work on that, and that is also important for a teacher also.
Yeah. Right.
Whether you are a learner, teacher, yeah, we all are learners, and every day I always try to learn something new. Like I'm connecting with you, and maybe from learner side, I always try to find out any new word. Like I have to at least learn this one word from this conversation, so that I
Yeah.
can use later in my later videos that word. So definitely, yes, and for that, for improve our fluency, we should observe. Like first thing, we always try to follow and utilize our time for our entertainment. And for
Yeah.
entertainment, we can watch English cartoons. And if you
Yeah.
are not in the habit of watching cartoons, so we can utilize our time for entertaining. Which part of entertaining we affect most, like English serials, English movies, and English
Yeah.
commentary. Yes, definitely. If we always try to make the environment surrounding us like English environment, we will definitely learn. I think in one day we will learn 4 5 words, and
Yeah.
then we have to use those words. So, and second time, which I also get from other side, that is reading habit. Yes, loud reading. For
Yeah. Right.
with the help of loud reading, we can definitely improve our pronunciation as well as our fluency.
Yeah. Right.
So yes, and which I observed, like I'm doing this type of conversation from last 4 months, and
Okay.
I also observed a different confidence. And I have done two conversation with Sunil sir also. He's a great teacher in Delhi, and he always try to use different, unique words like advanced words.
Yes. It depends on
And
us are getting that or not.
yeah,
It
yeah.
happened. But yeah.
Somehow we use basic words in our vocabulary, and if we want to learn something new, we have to use like Santa ma'am also give this advice to me. You have to use synonyms in place of simple words.
Yeah.
So
Right.
synonyms, antonyms definitely work on our vocabulary.
Yeah. So right.
Okay. So from your side, have you any time did any conversation with any learner like who use broken English?
Yeah, I talked with I think three, four ladies. They are like in this particular group, right? So they are, talking with busted English. They are talking, okay, but the confidence level you must see that moment. They are very confident. I was like, oh, like, seriously? They are talking with so much confidence. They are, they are not jumping in their mother tongue. They are just continued with their whole conversation in English. They are not, moving from that, adamant. Okay, they are very adamant
Hmm.
to English. Whether they are just using busted English, it's completely okay. But yeah, this was like worth seeing that
Hmm.
moment. came to know 3 and 4 ladies in this particular group, and they were like, okay, they are having so good confident in
Yeah,
themselves.
I I have also experience of 2 3 members, and one is from my own state. And what I observed, they are fully confident. They are not thinking like what others will think.
Yeah,
Because yeah, they have good command of grammar, but during speaking, we also do mistakes.
yeah,
Randomly we do, yeah, same they are doing, but the mother tongue influence always give like regional touch. That is also affected, like sometimes maybe it is a part of laughing, but yes, I think we should not laugh at others. So same from other side, which I always observe. But some person which feel hesitation, but some are not feeling hesitation, with
yeah,
full confidence they always try to speak. So that is good, I think. That is
yeah,
good. They are trying. So that is very nice. Because
yeah.
sometimes we feel hesitation, what the other person will think. And if we are connecting with an expert person, so definitely this type of low of confidence, we always feel internally ourselves. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
but if the expert person will ask any difficult question and use any advanced word, so what we will do in that case?
So in that case, I will like to tell you that I never ever think much. Okay, when I got connected with Sunil sir, he was the first male I was talking with. Okay, and I was like not any kind of. I was like straight and talking with him, and I was having any kind of fear and all. I was like comfortable talking with him, and it was
Hmm.
my first talk conversation with him, like a with a male. I was talking with him for the first time, so it was like kind of little bit discomfort, but I was not showing off. I was that moment I showed up very confident. Yeah, I'm very confident. He
Hmm.
was also appreciating me at that moment, that yeah, you are doing good, all.
Hmm. Yeah,
We must.
that's really nice conversation. I listened full video.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
nice.
and nice to hear. Like when I find out any new person which is doing something new, I did not try to find out your YouTube channel link, but yes, some YouTubers which I always try to follow, those like Sunil sir, Surbhi ma'am, Shanta ma'am, Manju ma'am, Rajni ma'am. So there are so many YouTubers which are available on YouTube, and I have already connected with those. And
Okay.
yes, continuously I try to whenever I get free, I try to listen them.
Yeah, I also mailed them, but there is no response. So I thought, okay, they must be occupied with their own work. So I thought, okay, when the time will come, definitely I'm going to connect with them. So it's
Because, yes, like Sunil sir and some YouTubers which make solo videos also. So sometimes they connect and sometimes they do this type of conversation.
yeah, but
So
Sunil
maybe
sir responded me in just a jiffy. I was like, okay, the is very genuine person. Is very decent. He responded back. I think within 1 minute. So I was like,
yeah,
and next day we talked. So it was very kind of him that he
mhm.
talked with me, took out some time for me to have a conversation. So it was very nice talking with him.
Yeah, that's nice. Like some person, whether they are running their channel very smoothly, even though they immediately give reply. Same Manju ma'am also, she always immediately reply me. But yes, in some cases, I don't know, they are busy or they are avoid our email. So same
If we,
happened with me also.
yeah, if we can be that much occupied, so they are a little bit superior in the terms of learning this English language, right? So they must be
Mhm.
busy, they must be occupied, tied
Yeah,
up with their work, right?
yeah, it maybe.
It was very nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nutiman. And please send me the link of your channel after our conversation. So it is
Sure.
really nice conversation. Yeah, definitely.
And
Thank you so much.
okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.